Welcome to this tutorial on NumPy arithmetic. Today we'll explore floor division in NumPy, a fundamental operation for performing integer division on arrays. Floor division is represented by the double forward slash operator and is essential for many numerical computing tasks. Floor division is a type of integer division that rounds down to the nearest whole number. Unlike regular division, which gives you decimal results, floor division discards the fractional part. For example, 7 divided by 2 normally equals 3.5, but with floor division, 7 double forward slash 2 equals 3. The result is always rounded down to the nearest integer. The syntax for floor division in NumPy is straightforward. First, import NumPy as NP. To perform floor division with arrays, use the double forward slash operator between two arrays. You can also divide an array by a scalar value using the same operator. The result will be stored in a new array with all elements divided accordingly. Let's see array-to-array floor division in action. We create two arrays. Array A contains 10, 15, 20, and 25, while array B contains 3, 4, 6, and 7. When we perform a double forward slash B, NumPy divides corresponding elements. 10 floor divided by 3 gives 3, 15 floor divided by 4 gives 3, 20 floor divided by 6 gives 3, and 25 floor divided by 7 gives 3. The output array is 3, 3, 3, 3. Floor division also works with scalar values. Here we have an array called numbers containing 17, 22, 35, and 41. When we divide this array by the scalar value 5, each element is divided individually. 17 floor divided by 5 equals 3, 22 floor divided by 5 equals 4, 35 floor divided by 5 equals 7, and 41 floor divided by 5 equals 8. The resulting array is 3, 4, 7, 8. It's important to understand how floor division handles negative numbers. Floor division always rounds toward negative infinity, not toward 0. For example, negative 7 floor divided by 3 equals negative 3, not negative 2. Similarly, negative 8 floor divided by 3 equals negative 3. However, positive 7 floor divided by 3 equals 2. This behavior ensures mathematical consistency with the floor function. NumPy provides an alternative function called np.floor_divide that produces identical results to the double forward slash operator. Both methods are completely equivalent. You can use whichever syntax you prefer. In this example, result 1 uses the operator syntax, while result 2 uses the function syntax. Both produce the same output, 3, 2, 3. The function form can be useful when passing operations as arguments to other functions. Let's recap the key points about floor division in NumPy. First, it returns the integer quotient and discards the remainder completely. Second, it always rounds toward negative infinity, which affects how negative numbers are handled. Third, floor division works element-wise with arrays, performing the operation on corresponding elements. Finally, the double forward slash operator is equivalent to the np.floor_divide function. Understanding these principles will help you use floor division effectively in your NumPy calculations.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.